Whether she was happy. Whether she was happy. Okay, next one, children. Dash the teacher explained the lesson several times. Some of the students still did not understand it.
Although.
Very good. Although. Although the teacher explained the chapter lesson several times. Keep the food covered.
Otherwise.
Otherwise or. Okay, both are correct. Or otherwise you can write. Keep the food covered or the flies will contaminate it. Join these sentences. I think you have done, children. Show me your virtual thumbs if it is done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vita.
Ma'am, please tell 7th and 8th.
In 7th, the rooms are very comfortable and they have a good view of the lake. Please keep these vintage bird prints safely because they are extremely rare to find, or as they are extremely rare to find. Both are correct. Okay. Now join these sentences using conjunctions given in the brackets. Omit any unnecessary words. They were very avid gardeners. They were always found in the garden.
Instead of a very, we can use such, and after gardeners, we can use that.
They were always found in the garden. Come again, Ananya. What are you saying?
Ma'am, instead of very, we can write such, and after gardeners, removing full stop, we can put that.
They were such avid gardeners that were always found in the garden. Okay. They were such avid gardeners that were always found in the garden. Write down, children. They were such gardeners. There were such gardeners. There were such gardeners that are always gardeners that were always found in the garden.
And what is the meaning of avid?
Avid means you can say hard worker. Okay. Those who are very keen to work. Avid gardeners that were always there. They love the work, I think. They were always found in the garden. Always found in the garden. Next one. The
Ma'am, the fuse has blown up as the iron is not working.
The iron is not working as the fuse has blown up. Okay, you write in the other way. The iron is not working. This one is more appropriate. This one is more appropriate.
There is no space to write it. So how can we write it?
You can write on above the sentence. You can write.
Okay, ma'am.
The iron is not working as the fuse has blown up. The iron is not working as the fuse has blown up. Yes, children?
Ma'am, the driver were on sick because there were no auto rickshaw.
This one you have done, children, as the fuse has blown up. Now tell the next. This everyone has done, children. Show me your virtual thumbs if you have done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next one. Yes, Vita.
मैम as कहाँ पे लिखना है?
As the fuse. The iron is not working as the fuse has blown up. I have written in the sentence, I think, so that there will be no confusion. Okay. Okay, yes, children. The iron is not working as the fuse has blown up. So we have shifted the sentence. Okay. The second sentence will come in the first, in the beginning. The iron is not working as the fuse has blown up. Okay. Next sentence. This you have done, children. Shall we move on to the next? First sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are coming to the third sentence. There were no auto rickshaws. The drivers were on strike.
Because, ma'am, after auto rickshaws, because will come.
Yes, absolutely correct. There were no auto rickshaws. There were no auto rickshaws. There were no auto rickshaws because, so here we are giving reason. That's why we are using because the drivers. Now I think conjunctions are clear to you, children, how we are using them.
Yes, ma'am.
Because here you can see that we are giving reason because they were on strike. When we are giving reason, we are using because the drivers were on strike. Because the drivers were on strike. Now next, Anna booked a babysitter. She could go out for the evening. Can you tell me this?
Babysitter.
Yes.
Ma'am, after babysitter, so that will come.
Very good. After babysitter, so that we go. Mute yourself, beta. Anna booked a babysitter. So that she could go out for the evening. Again, we are giving reason here. Okay, purpose we are showing so that we should go out for, she should go out for the evening. Yes. Next, beta. Next one.
Ma'am, we must try to boost our sales, otherwise all this hard work will go to waste.
Yes, we must try to boost our sales, otherwise all this hard work will go waste. We must try to boost. Now someone else will answer, okay? I want answer from some different child. Children, you must answer. The more you will answer, the more you will learn. Okay? Otherwise, all this hard work will go waste. All this hard work go waste. Yes. Pavitra, next you try, beta. The signal is very weak. The phone call cannot be connected.
The signal is very weak, so that the phone call cannot be connected.
Can you try it again, Pavitra?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Let him speak. Let him try. Pavitra, can you speak again, beta?
The signal is very weak, so that the phone call cannot be connected.
In spite of very, we can use so, beta. The signal is so weak. Can we use? Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
it should be more correct. The signal is so weak that the phone call cannot be connected. Okay, this is the correct one. Okay, you have to remove very, that the phone call cannot be connected. Cannot be connected. Okay, you have to remove very from there. So now the next one is the climb up the mountain was a success. The trekkers faced many challenges along the way. Surbi, can you try, beta? Survi, can you
Yes,
try?
ma'am.
Yes, better.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak up.
The climb up the mountain was a success, even though the trekkers faced many challenges along the way.
Yes, even though the trackers faced many challenges along the way, the climb up the mountain was a success. Yes, absolutely correct. The climb up of the mountain was a success, even though the trackers. You can write in this way. Okay.
Can we put even though before the climb up?
No. Even though the climb up, you are giving reason there. The climb up of the mountain was a success. Okay. Even though the trackers have faced many problems, but still they got a success in climbing up. Okay. They reached the point. So even though will come afterwards. The climb up the mountain. The climb up the mountain. Climb up the mountain. Mountain. Was a success. A success, even though the trackers faced
many challenges
faced many challenges
along the way.
along the way. Absolutely correct.
Ma'am, can I tell of next?
Can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Vita.
can I tell of next?
Wait.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Vita. Speak up.
Ma'am,
The
the
wise
fool
try
keep
to better
blaming their
themselves.
luck.
The fools
One by
keep
one,
blaming.
One by one, Vita.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
The fool keep blaming their luck, whereas the wise try to better themselves.
Very good. Absolutely correct. The fools keep blaming their luck, whereas the wise try to better themselves. Write down, children.